Arlington Expressway Service Road.
We have receipts proving we paid the remaining balance. Am I the jerk for ruining Christmas by kicking out my daughter-in-law for humiliating me? I have 3 kids, 2 boys.
Take the exit toward Arlington Expressway Service Road and keep left at the fork.
He has always been asocial and introverted and could be mean to his sister, making fun of her and putting her in...
Keep left at the fork, then continue onto Arlington Expressway Service Road.
They got married 8 years ago. Daughter-in-law is the one I struggle with. I've tried to be as...
In a quarter mile, turn left onto Caesarea Boulevard.
She's also mean to my daughter. She makes fun of her and even refers to daughter as a beard because daughter's spouse is effeminate. Sorry if this is confusing. This year, when baking cookies...
Take the next left onto Caesarea Boulevard.
...to not get Patrick any gifts because he doesn't want any. He hates getting gifts. I've always known Patrick wasn't much for gifts, so we'd go very simple and practical, thinking of things we could upgrade for him. Pots and pans, power tools, etc. But daughter-in-law was very insistent about it this year. He was always appreciative and admitted he could use them, but she insisted, so I didn't get Patrick anything. When we opened presents this year, everyone was laughing and having fun. When we got to the end, and daughter-in-law turns and looks at me and says, "Where's Patrick's present?" I said, "You told me not to get him anything, remember?" She said,
Continue on Caesarea Boulevard for 1.5 miles.
I was there. Daughter-in-law then laughs and says, "You guys must be off your meds again." Daughter and I both managed
9.